Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys don't mind the slightly different angle. Still on the floor, slightly different. Room is a mess because guests are staying in my room because I have the biggest bed. So that is that situation, but I wanted to quickly stop and share with you guys the new bag that has entered my collection. If you watch my videos, you might have had a little bit of a hint as to which bag it was, or I mean obviously the title of this video gave it to you, but it is the YSL toy Loulou, and it is in the black color with the gold hardware. This was on my wish list for the longest time, and I wasn't allowed to like get it for myself because it was something someone wanted to give to me as a graduation present, but we managed to bump it up before that just because of the crazy year we've had. So it is now in my hand. So right now you guys are probably seeing the unboxing for this bag. It's not the original unboxing. I have used it a couple times, but because I was traveling, I did pack it and put it back in its box just so it would not get smushed or anything in travels. Now, I don't keep my bags in boxes, by the way, but now it is being used out and about, and I love it. It's my favorite everyday bag. Although this is a smaller mini bag, it does fit quite a lot, and even when I first opened it, which I will show you guys, you kind of look at it and you're like, when you look at it empty at least, it's right now full with my things because I have officially started using it like I had said. When you take everything out, you're like, am I going to be able to fit a lot in this? Yes you can. And because it's already like a smushy state of a bag, you don't have to worry about it losing its shape. It is very structured but also very forgiving. I could probably stuff more things into my bag if I wanted to, but honestly right now I don't need much. So I just have everything that I normally would, and it just looks so elegant. It's black, so you don't have to worry about color transfer with darker denim, and the strap drop is perfect for me in regards to being short and petite. So I am 5'1.5". I like to say 5'2", but realistically I don't have that ½ inch to be 5'2", and I actually have it on the middle loop, and it fits perfectly for how I like crossbodies, and I'll show you guys later. But I'm so excited. Oh, and she still smells like new leather. I don't know, I'm like one of those weirdos that love smelling their bags or like their leather goods or even like canvas goods. It just smells new and fresh, and I love that scent. So actually this is like my nice black bag. I don't know why I don't have like a nice black bag. I do have like a little Kate Spade one, but the structure of it fits even a lot less than the YSL toy Loulou. So definitely probably going to be my most used bag. Black goes with everything. I eventually would like to get a different color, but you know, I have a little rule for myself in regards to what will my next bag be. But let me show you all the stuff I currently have in it. It's a little bit of what's in my bag. I still have the protective sticker on, and I'm going to keep it on until it starts to fall off on its own, just to prevent it from scratching from this button up here. Even when you move it like that, there's no creasing of the leather because of how smushy a bag this is. And oh, I've gotten so scared that I've gotten a couple of like teeny tiny scratches on it, whether it's like by my nails or by my rings, because I love to wear it. But this is a hard enduring bag, and I'm pretty sure this is like I'm pretty sure this is like a lambskin. Might be calfskin. I'm pretty sure it is a lambskin bag, but it is a durable lambskin, and I'm really impressed. I've been on a YSL kick. I think most of my leather good items are from YSL, so I have like the matching thin belt as well as the matching ish card holder, which I can't really use with this bag because it is a lot. It's a big, and you need to use something smaller with the toy Loulou. But I've been a little bit on a YSL kick for the last like past, I guess not year, but like 365 days year, if that makes any sense. But let's go ahead and get into what's in my bag, since I love looking because I'm nosy as brick. Again, not too much because I don't need too much in this bag, but you could still fit more. So sitting right up top, I've already kind of started to pull it out. I have my Louis Vuitton key clay. I normally don't have my keys on here. I normally have like a big poofy ball that has hand sanitizer on it. And so I don't have that now, but I'm actually gonna put that back because I didn't want the keys to scratch the leather portion on the inside of the bag. So I was keeping it in my little pouch, my key cape pouch. So right now I have like a hair tie and band-aids because you always need those. But my keys aren't normally on it because I know how scratched up these can get very quickly. So I don't normally have it on it, so I just took it off. Or I decided to use it for the key pouch purpose of this item. But normally I'll have like my AirPods or hand sanitizer in here if I don't have my keys. So that is that item, my keys and my pouch. The next thing I have in this back compartment, I guess we're starting with back compartment first, is I have my phone. I just have the iPhone X. So just like that, fits perfectly with all of that stuff in here. And that's what I'm talking about, where you think it wouldn't fit, because even though the back portion looks very small, because of the puffiness and the expandableness of the leather is what really gives you a lot more real estate in regards to this bag. So like I said, I just have my iPhone 10, which I'm going to try to push one more year before I upgrade. And then the last thing I have back there is the smallest kirigami pouch, where I actually have my credit cards and my cards, just because, again, I wouldn't recommend putting like a thicker card case, which is what I do have. But if you have this or like little envelope thing that's just in and out and kind of displays all your cards, it's probably what's best for this bag. I don't mind. I get to use the kirigami set more because I don't always use this for my cards. So it gives, I drop everything. I was not the opposite of sticky fingers, so slippy fingers. So that's what I have in the back portion. And then that's all I have in the back. There's also the zipper compartment that actually does expand quite a bit into that back portion, but I only have a feminine wipe in there just in case, you know, if I have to use the bathroom and I'm out and about and I just need to feel clean down there. I have those in like all of my bags, but that's the only thing I have in the back pocket, just because I don't really find that I carry other things for myself that I would need. So yes, if I was carrying cash and I didn't want to put it in my kirigami pochette, this middle insert that separates both the back pocket and the front pocket actually expands, so you can see that. That would be also a good place to put my cards if I needed more room for, like, I don't know, a powder, a compact. I could definitely do that, or put cash or receipts or something. I didn't really consider that this morning, but I guess I would use that more if I was using this bag every day, not switching out like in between this bag and my work bag and this bag and my workout. So that's, if I was just using this every day, I would probably keep like cash in there or something. I don't know. Let's go ahead and talk about the front pocket. So I have some gum because I met up someone for coffee this morning, so I didn't want to have coffee breath even without my mask, which is the only thing I don't have in here now that I'm realizing, because I throw that in the dirty laundry as soon as I'm done using it. I also have a little hand cream from Bath & Body Works. This is my winter candy apple hand cream. You guys know how much I love this scent. Like, this is what I smell November till February every year, every single year. It's this. I do have a little mirror compact, a little ugly mirror compact from Sephora. I probably should get like a nicer looking one, but like it works. I have it. It's like the close-up one and the regular one. It used to come with like the gift cards, so it comes in handy, but I should try to either like paint over it and make it like really fun, which is what I want to do, or get like a nice bougie one to match my nice bag, you know. This is all very new to me, so I feel very you know, when it comes to these luxe bags. I have my hand sanitizer, also from Bath & Body Works. This is in Tricho Elf. Looks like that. Snow Kiss Citrus. Dare I say more about why we should have them in our handbags, even though I feel like I don't use them a lot if I'm not touching a lot of things. Because, you know, unless I accidentally touch something and then I'm gonna like do something where I can't go wash my hands. you know, that's when I use it, emergencies. And then I have a couple of lip products. So I have my K-Beauty. Ooh, good thing I noticed that. It wasn't closed all the way. This is the Chateau Labiote Wine Lip Tint. Lip tints are great now that we're using masks. I only ever put it on when I am actually like seeing someone, or maybe like right before work. That way the moments that I do take it off, I don't see my ridiculously colorless lips, or for other people to see them. You know, co-workers that are in close proximity, or if I'm meeting someone, not necessarily like the general public, because then I wouldn't actually wear anything because the mask never comes off. Other than that, I also have the ColourPop Just a Tint lip tint, or lip crayon. This is in the color The Strand. Only have this in here again because I put it on as soon as I took my mask off. And then chapstick, which is an essential, and this is just the Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Organic Lip Balm, which is quite nice. Also, in the front compartment of the bag, I still had this in here because, again, I haven't really used it that much. There's these slots for cards, just because obviously real estate space is a little bit limited, but they give you all the purposes, like half of the purposes I think that take up space in here already included in the bag, and even like another larger pocket for like money. So I definitely need to play around with this bag a little bit more when it comes to when I need to pack more things. Opportunities shall rise for it one day. But this here, all of this top lining of this bag is leather, and then the rest of it is actually like a felt lining, so you're not just worried all the time about scratching leather with all of your things, because it is a nice fabric. I said felt, but it's really fabric. So this bag is great. It's a little bit less worrisome. Again, I haven't used it that much to see any scratches of it. It is such a nice bag, and I love it. And it's just, not everyone knows the YSL logo, so it's super, super discreet and just very like casual. It's a perfect crossbody slash long strap bag. I personally obsessed with it. There was a reason why I wanted this for so long, and why I would consider getting it either in pink or in gray even. Well, those are the terms and conditions for my next bag anyway, but I would also consider getting this in like a nude color, but definitely in leather. The YSL quality, you get such good quality for the price, which can't be said for like some of the other luxury brands. So I'm very, very happy to have this in my collection. Now I have a mess of everything on the floor, but I'll show you guys like how easy it is. Like, you look at this and you're like, wow, it doesn't look like it would fit that much, but these are very forgiving and expandable. So even though I'm gonna have to switch out of this bag. So we have my pochette kirigami, which goes, or I've been putting at least in the back pocket. My cell phone, again in the back pocket, just fits nicely in front of that pochette kirigami. I'm gonna put my key clay, let's put it in the front this time because it doesn't have the keys attached anymore, so I guess it doesn't matter. And I'm laying that downwards, and you can lay a lot of stuff upwards and fit even more, which is what I do with my accessories. So we're doing the gum and the mirror next in that front pouch again, just like that. So you can see it's taking up more room like this, but then I'm going to stand up all of these things. See how nicely that fits. I'm gonna put the hand sanitizer in the back. Have this corner right here for all of my lip products, just so they're like not rolling around, because this is, even though it's a small bag, it is a dark bag, so, you know, if it's all just rolling around, it might be a little bit harder to see. But just like that, you don't have anything over top of each other. It's not how normally I have it laid out, but even like this, nothing's rolling around. So if you were to open it, like nothing would really fall out. It's all snugly there. Again, we have our little back pocket here, which is still accessible even with things up above it on either side. And then we have our little card cases here, again still accessible if I didn't want to use my little small kirigami pochette. And then you could even, if you wanted to, put stuff on top of it. So I'm gonna be careful because I'm babying this bag. So I could fit my keys on top and even sunglasses if I wanted to. And not a problem in regards to closing. And it's not, the shape isn't compromised or anything. And voila, there you have it. So this is the YSL Toy Loulou, just in case if you were interested, or I have made you interested. I 100% endorse this bag, as if I had, you know, a power to endorse something. But here on this channel, it has my seal of approval. But let me know what you guys think of it. Love the smell. Just can't get over it. And it's my baby. It's my new baby. But I hope you are having an amazing day no matter where you are, and I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye.